One of the importance, or I would say significance, of law of diminishing marginal utility is it is the basis of law of demand. Yes, law of demand forms the basis of law of diminishing marginal utility. What does law of demand says? The law of demand says the quantity demanded increases with the fall in prices and decreases with the increase in price. Now, understand, when a consumer buys a same product one after the other, in simple words, he tend to buy more and more products of the same thing, then its marginal utility is going down. So naturally, a rational consumer will do what? He will tend to buy more quantity only if its price is less. Let us understand this with an example. See, I am trying to buy a biscuit pack. So biscuit pack cost me, let's say, 20 rupees per pack. A well-known favorite biscuit pack in the market. So I buy one. So again, I buy next time 20 rupees the same thing. So instead of taking two, now I'll take three the next thing. But now my happiness or my utility of this packet is going down because in the same purchase I'm buying it thrice. So I'll not tend to purchase the fourth because I'll say, boss, cost is very high. 3 is okay for me, I don't want to buy the fourth one. But if the same product will be available at 20% discount if you buy a pack of 4, what will happen? Naturally, I'll say, boss, I'm getting a 20% discount, so almost for the same amount of money I'm getting 4 products, so I'll tend to demand for 4 products. So what do you understand? For the same price, if I keep on buying more and more of the same quantity, my intensity for demand or my happiness or my marginal utility from that commodity is reducing. Because when it compared with price, it is going down. So what I see, if I reduce the price, again I see this marginal utility is attractive and I tend to demand more of it since the price has reduced. And that is the very basis of law of demand. So yes, law of diminishing marginal utility forms the basis of law of demand, where law of demand says the quantity demanded increases with the fall in prices and decreases with the increase in price. And that is the very reason when I tend to buy a specific commodity one after the other more and more, then what happens? My comparison compared to price for the extra unit is going down. So in order to make that marginal utility attractive to me, if I reduce the price, I still see that I'm getting this kind of marginal utility at this price. I'm happy to buy and a consumer tend to buy it. In a nutshell summary, yes, law of diminishing marginal utility is important when it comes to basis of law of demand.